How to apply for a U.S. visa. If you're planning a trip to the United States, this guide will help you navigate the visa application process step by step. Whether you're applying for a tourist, B2, business, B1, or student visa, F1, this video is designed to save you time and eliminate confusion. Let's dive straight in. First, determine the type of visa you need based on your purpose of travel. Visit the official U.S. Department of State website, /travel.state.gov, and fill out the DS-160 form, the foundation of your application. This is an online form, so take your time to ensure all details are accurate. Once completed, save the confirmation page. You'll need it for the interview. Next, pay the visa application fee, which varies by visa type and country. Check the specific amount on the website and ensure you use the approved payment methods. After payment, schedule your visa appointment at the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate. You'll need your DS-160 confirmation number, payment receipt, and passport details to book this. Prepare for your visa interview. Gather the required documents, including your valid passport with at least 6 months of validity beyond your stay, a recent passport-sized photo that meets U.S. specifications, the DS-160 confirmation page, and your appointment letter. Depending on your visa type, you may need additional documents like proof of funds, travel itineraries, or acceptance letters from U.S. institutions. During the interview, remain calm and honest. Answer the consular officer's questions directly and clearly. They'll focus on verifying your intent to visit, your ties to your home country, and your ability to fund the trip. If approved, the officer will keep your passport to issue the visa, which will be returned in a few days. If denied, they'll explain why. Lastly, track your application status online. Once you receive your passport with the visa, double-check the details to ensure they match your application. With your visa in hand, you're ready to plan your trip to the U.S. That's it. Follow these steps precisely, and you'll maximize your chances of a successful visa application. If you found this helpful, like and share this video, and good luck with your journey.